Welcome to Back to Basics. I'm Nelli. In this episode, we will show you how to deploy your static web page. Static web pages are great if you want to tell the world about your business, present an idea about brand new software as a service startup, landing page, even a blog. Let's talk about what skills you will need to build a web page and bring it out to the world. You'll need to have at least a bachelor's degree in Googling. Also, understanding what are HTML and CSS would be an advantage. Some JavaScript. Watching any JavaScript tutorial could be a sufficient start. So, you created your perfect web page and uploaded it to an S3 bucket with enabled hosting feature. Then you realize it's not that great. So you made a change, zip, and upload it again. And again, and again. This is annoying. Let's automate. In AWS, it is really easy to set up a deployment pipeline with AWS Code Pipeline, an orchestration service. It commands other services what to do. You may have noticed we also have a test environment. Let's talk about this beast. Think about having a place where you can safely deploy, ensure everything is working as expected, and it is not your main web page where actual customer are trying to do their customer activities. Sounds good, right? This place is a test environment. Now, you can definitely have another S3 bucket in the same account. However, having a separate account significantly improves the security profile and provides nice isolation between environments. Adding more accounts doesn't cost anything, but the resources with them do. You may even have a development environment, so you can play with all those cool AWS services as far away as possible from production. Now, you definitely can have another S3 bucket in the same account. However, having it in a separate account significantly improves your security profile and provide this nice isolation between environments. All those S3 buckets may be CloudFront and your pipeline, constantly evolving and growing. How you keep track on that? How you keep making sure your environments are the same so you can play and innovate? In AWS, you can describe all your resources in a file, deploy it quickly, and have the same resources configured in the same way in any environment you want. It's called infrastructure as a code. There are options for how to do that. But if you actually manage to complete the JavaScript course, you can graduate to the Cloud Development Kit, CDK, which supports not only JavaScript, but also Python, TypeScript, Java, C#, and we're adding more languages. Here's an example for configuring an S3 bucket with CloudFront distribution. With those tools, all of your configurations live in a source control, and you have a history of who did what. Now, you can chase people who did that weird thing and ask them why. In this episode, we explored how to deliver your static web page, how to set up an environment for experimentation, what is infrastructure as a code, why and how to use it. Check out the links below. Happy building!